right, so...
Are you still recording?
Yeah. It says that it's a spotlight, motion censored. It's not as warm as our other lights. It's going to be bright, you know that, right, huh?
Yeah.
But it'll... I'm hoping that it will kind of, like, with the bears, activate it with the trash right there.
That would be really cool if the bears did activate it.
You know what? I want to put our motion camera up there, too.
Okay.
All right. Pretty packed in there well. We really love these little cheap screws.
It's not.
Okay. So...
Do you realize that one of our videos has me talking about the screws like 5 different times?
Yeah, and when I was editing, I really thought it was some type of...
It's maybe an OCD or a ADHD type thing.
Yeah,
Fixation.
and it kind of talks about it like it's a sexual thing.
Ah.
Okay, so, this will tighten it and loosen it. All right. Solar, we take this off. We'll mount this onto the new blueberry box. All right.
We don't need the stake, right?
No.
We can just hold it for later or something.
Yeah.
There'll be another project we'll use it.
Reuse, recycle. All right, so the English side. I wish I spoke other languages.
I think it's a no-brainer.
Yeah, me too. 8 super bright LDE lights, weather resistance, solar powered. Yeah.
And
oh, there's an on-off button. We got to make sure that you put it on sensor mode.
okay. I'm having a little bit.
So
with that.
you can take the mounting block off to mount it securely, and then clip everything back together.
Oh, that makes sense.
Yeah. I wonder if this will freak Dayton out when he comes into the driveway or leaves in the morning early. All right, I'm gonna put all the trash back.
Do I get to use my awesome screws?
The outdoor weather ones.
The outdoor weather self-augering inertial fixation devices.
I have sensor mode on. That's a good, that sun will hit this perfect.
All right.
All right, let's go.
It's recording.
All right, so I think if we did it up here, I wouldn't be able to angle it where we need it. It'll be up to the sky.
Yep.
So I'm thinking here, pointed towards our trash for the bears and our front gate.
That works. It's going to get plenty of sun. That sun reflector is pointed right up to the sun.
All day. So
All day.
Okay. So I'm going to put it here with our all-weather screws. What inch? How many are...
Self-augering. I don't know. I think these are like an inch to an inch and a quarter.
Okay. We just bought a big box of them for everything we do.
In case any of you are wondering, my wife is amazing with the power tools. It's kind of funny if we ever have a contractor over to the house, they always keep looking at me, and I have to basically say, no, look to her. She's the one that designs everything. She's the brains behind the operation. She knows more about tools than I'll ever do.
And you know what's really funny? They address you and look at you. They don't acknowledge I'm even there sometimes.
It drives me bananas. Until I say that, and then they go, oh, okay.
Remember the one guy that came and he goes, whose pretty truck? Your husband has a great truck. I'm like,
it's my truck.
My truck. It's in my name.
I loved it. All right, so third screw is going in. Remember, that's the self-augering screw. It's so amazing.
Sweet, smooth like butter.
Found them at Home Depot.
All right,
Love
do you
them.
remember how this
I
goes?
think it just screws on.
Okay. Hi, guys. Those bugs, huh?
Quick pan to our guard dogs. Somebody walked by us on the street and they're barking.
So at night, we can review how this is pointing, but I think that feels pretty secure.
Hey, this is maybe a crazy idea. What about using that motion light and putting our wildlife camera kind of underneath it? Would that
Oh
help?
yeah, totally.
All
I mean, we've on our other wildlife camera. I can post some videos, but we've had foxes, coyote,
bobcat,
raccoon, bobcat, and the bobcat a couple different times, different days.
All right, so it's mounted, it's charging, and we shall show you a picture tonight of what it looks like. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to press like and subscribe.
Please.
All right.